Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explored. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to do simple simulations in SolidWorks. I will also tell you how to check whether your part is perfect for manufacturing or not by defining the factor of safety. So keep watching this video till end. Let's start. First of all, I will make a part. So click on front plane and then select sketch. Now select straight slot and draw it like this. Then draw two circles like this. Press escape key and then select both of these circles, make their relation equal. Now define by using smart dimensions, and this width is 30 millimeter and this height is 50 millimeter. The diameter of the circle is 15 millimeter. Then press escape button. Go to features and then select extruded boss base. Extrusion thickness is 5 millimeter. So next step is that we have to apply material to this part. Right click on material and select edit material. From here select AISI 1020 type of iron or of steel and then press apply. Then close. Now save this part as strip 1. Next step is start from new again and this time start from assembly. Now import the strip 1 in the assembly. Then press and hold Ctrl key and click and drag this part to make its duplicate. Then select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face. Make their relation concentric. Then select this face and this face. Release the Ctrl key and select coincident mate. For multiple selections, press and hold Ctrl key. So next step, we have to start simulation. So if you do not have simulation tab here, right click here and then from here select simulation, or you can also add simulation by turning on its add-in here. So now select new study here. Type of study is static. Name the simulation study and press OK button. First of all, we have connections. So now we have to define the connections. Right click on the connection and then select type of connection. I'm going to add pin, so select pin. Now select two cylindrical faces in which you are going to insert pin. So select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face and then press OK button. So here you can see pin has been created. Next step is defining the fixed geometry or fixtures. So for that, right click on fixture and select fixed geometry. If you have bearing fixture or any other type of fixture, you can select according to your design. So I'm going to use fixed geometry. Then select this cylindrical face. So this is the fixed geometry and then press OK button. After that, we have to apply external loads. Right click on the external load and select the type of load. I'm going to use torque. So first of all, I have to select the face on which I'm going to apply the torque. So select this face and then select the axis or cylindrical face for the direction. So this is the cylindrical face and here is the value of torque. Let me select 300 Newton meter torque. Then press OK button. Then we have mesh. So right click on the mesh and then select create mesh. Here is the mesh density. For more accurate simulation, you can tune the mesh density to find. So then press OK button. Here you can see a mesh has been created for our part. Now it's time to run the simulation study. Click on this button, run this study. So this is the simulation in SolidWorks. Here is the stress, this is displacement, and this is strain. You can also animate. This is the animation speed. This is displacement, double click on it, and this is strain. Next question is that is this model is perfect for manufacturing or not? For that, right click on results and select define factor of safety plot. Press OK button. So here you can see factor of safety is 0.66, and it means our model is not perfect to manufacture. The factor of safety must be above 1. To increase the value for the factor of safety, we have two options. The first one is that we can add the more material to our component, or we can also reduce the torque value to increase the factor of safety value. So for that, right click on torque and then select edit definition, and here you can select 200 Newton meter torque and then press OK button. So again, run this study. So now right click on results and select define factor of safety plot and press OK button. So here you can see we have 0.99 factor of safety. So once again we have to reduce the torque value. Right click on the torque and select edit definition, and instead of 200 type here 150 Newton meter torque. Again run this study. And then right click on results and select define factor of safety plot and press OK button. So here you can see 1.3 is the value of factor of safety. So this is how you can do simulations in SolidWorks. I hope you had learned from this video, and thanks for watching and sparing time.